Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to play Brawl Stars on PC. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in LD Player download. Hit enter. Now you will see this download button. If you don't see this download button, click on this www.ldplayer.net's link. Now you will see a page that will look something like this. Click on download LD Player 9 and this will install a file on your PC. Simply open the file that just got downloaded onto your PC and click on install and wait for the installation to get finished. Now after LD Player gets installed, you will see a pop-up that will look something like this. You can click on no thanks and this will automatically open up LD Player. So you'll have to wait for the installation to get finished and LD Player to get open on your PC. Now after opening the LD Player, you will have to simply click on search game area. Now type in Brawl Stars. Hit enter and this will show a list of search results. Click on the Brawl Stars icon. Now click on install button just in front of it. Now you'll have to sign in to Google Play on LD Player. So click on sign in button. After you click on sign in, you'll have to enter your email or phone number in this field. That is your Google account credentials. Now enter your password, log into Google services. Now click on accept at this page. Click on accept here. Now as you can see, the install button is looking something like this. Click on install and this will quickly install Brawl Stars on your PC. Now after the installation gets finished, you will see a play button just under this. Click on play and this will quickly open up Brawl Stars on your PC. Now you can see you will have to use these keys to play Brawl Stars. So as you can see, now I'm able to play Brawl Stars on my PC pretty easily. And if you want to log in, you'll have to click on the ID icon at the top left corner. Now click on continue, enter the email with which Brawl Stars is associated, click on login, add the password. After that, you can play with your account on Brawl Stars pretty easily. So that's the simple way you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now we'll see you in the next video.